Hello everyone, this is Rohit, your yoga instructor. Yoga is not just a physical exercise. It's a practice that can bring harmony and balance into your hectic life. By dedicating few minutes to deep stretches, you'll be able to make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Today, I will be sharing with you 5 asanas that you can include in your daily routine. These asanas are thoughtfully selected to both stretch and strengthen your body while also calming your mind. In this video, I will help you understand the importance of practicing this asana and also to do them properly so that you can enjoy all the benefits of practicing this asana. So let's get started. To do Trikonasana, first stand in Dandasana, join your inner soles together. Now spread your legs 3 to 3.5 feet wider. Bring your arms in line with the shoulders, parallel to the floor. Turn your right foot right side 90 degrees and left foot slightly inwards. Now inhale. With exhalation, bend sideways right side. Now grab your big toe or hold your right ankle. Now gaze your left thumb. Your arms are in line with the shoulders. Now hold this posture for 20 seconds or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. You can repeat Trikonasana on the other side for equal length of time. Regular practice of Trikonasana can increase the range of motion in the spine, reducing stiffness and promoting better posture. A flexible spine is key to overall mobility and can help prevent injuries in daily activities. Trikonasana helps improve blood flow throughout the body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are effectively delivered to various organs and tissues. To do Ardha Matsyendrasana, first sit in seated Dandasana, bend your legs. Now bring your left foot next to the right hip and place your right foot next to the left knee. Then twist your spine and place your left armpit on right outer knee. Then hold Chin Mudra. Your right palm is 1 foot behind the waist. Now look back. Stay in this posture for 20 or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Repeat this posture on the other side for equal length of time. Ardha Matsyendrasana involves a deep spinal twist that stretches and realigns the vertebra, helping to release tension and improve posture, which is essential for maintaining overall mobility and preventing back pain. The twisting action massages the abdominal organs, enhancing digestion and relieving issues like bloating and constipation, which supports overall gut health. For Supta Virasana, first sit in Vajrasana. Relax. Spine straight, shoulders back. Now, spread your ankles. Hip down on the mat. Now, slowly first recline back and place your elbows down. Stay there. And if it is comfortable, lie down fully. Raise your arms overhead. Stay there. Supta Virasana calms the mind, reduces stress, and provides relief from fatigue. Overall, it enhances both physical flexibility and mental relaxation. To Dhanurasana, first sit in Vajrasana. Lie down flat on your abdomen. Relax. Grab your right ankle with the right arm, left ankle with the left arm. Lift up. Stay there. Dhanurasana, also known as bow pose, is a powerful back bend in yoga where the body forms the shape of a bow with the hands pulling the feet towards the head. It strengthens the back muscles and improves spinal flexibility, tones the abdominal muscles, and massages the internal organs, aiding in overall digestion and detoxification. For Halasana, lie down flat in supine posture, lift your legs up and support your back muscle. This is Sarvangasana. Now slowly drop your feet behind the head, interlock your fingers, extend your arms, point your toes back. Halasana, also known as flow pose, is an inversion yoga posture. It stimulates the thyroid gland, helps regulate metabolism and hormone levels. These are the 5 asanas that gives great health benefits. But remember, before you practice these asanas, you can do warm up by doing some dynamic stretches or even by practicing Surya Namaskar. And always ensure to end the session with the practice of Shavasana for at least 5 minutes. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe our channel. See you till the next video. Namaste.